How to create and assign a task in a space. We have a IT space and we have a three member here, and I would like to assign a task. So you just click here assign task, then add a task, click here, then write by 5 laptops. Then you can click here save and assign it like this user. Now he will get a notification here. Yeah, so now click here and he is received a task, and now just the task is complete, then he can select it, mark as complete. Now you can see it's showing it's completed. Thank you for watching.